Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are in Tioman for our island getaway and dive trip.
We initially did not plan to make a video about it. It's supposed to be a no-shoot holiday because if you've been following us on our channel, we've already made a ton of video about Tioman.
But a few weeks ago, Insta360 sent us their Insta360 1x2 action camera. So here we are, we'll be using the camera during this trip. And it's actually our first time using the 360 camera and we're very excited to use it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's go!
Today is just gonna be a chill day. We're gonna cycle to the next village and enjoy the beach.
Wow! Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, check out guys, the sunset, so pretty! We've been here so many times in Tioman, but this is our first time here at the Tekek beach. It's a long stretch sandy beach. And today's weather is amazing because today is a Sunday. The beach is empty!
So far, I really enjoyed using the Insta360 1x2 camera. It's really easy to use, it's very convenient, easy to carry around, and it's almost like bringing a third person along with you to help us film ourselves in action. Good morning guys, we're going to be going diving really soon and I really can't wait to use the Insta360 camera underwater. Today we're going to be heading to 3 dive sites and another 2 more tomorrow. But before that, we're going to have some breakfast, fill our bellies and head to our boat.
Today's dive was incredible, the visibility was really clear and we even managed to spot some turtles.
In fact, out of 5 of our dives, we spotted turtles at 3 of them. Along with some cuttlefish, stingrays, and even a giant moray eel, which is pretty rare. The Insta360 1x2 is so easy to use. All we had to do is just hit record, enjoy our dive, and the footage looks amazing. The best part is I can always reframe the footage afterwards. Insta360 is currently having a sale. You can enjoy 10% off the 1x2 water sports kit and water sports related accessories during this period. We leave the link of their online shop and more information about the sale in the description below so you guys can go check it out.
So far we've really enjoyed using the Insta360 1x2 camera. I foresee that we'll be taking along this camera with us in our future trips.
Yeah, so that's all we have for this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you'd like to follow us on our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!